into another phase of preparing a store-bought frozen pizza, which is plain cheese, into a gourmet pizza in the COVID by adding a few wonderful ingredients to this. It's quite simple, but it makes a big difference for you and your friends and family. Okay, the most important thing here is read the instructions and follow them pretty much to the T. The people that own this company have tested their products over and over again to make sure that everything was right for their customers. So if you follow the instructions, you're gonna make a perfect pizza. Okay, let's see what we got in the fridge to add to the pizza. Oh, look at that, beautiful gold bell pepper. I've actually got one. I'm gonna use this. Peppers are beautiful. Yesterday we made the pizza with tomato. I think we'll give another tomato. I've got nice tomatoes in the fridge. So let's get them out. You can add whatever you want. You know, whatever suits your taste. But please, I recommend no meat, no fish, and no eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up here quick. Let's get this going. And let's get the oven going right away, preheating. So once again, in this episode, we're putting on oregano. Quite a bit of it, actually. You can see, let's bring it in close there. Now, normally I don't like to do that because I find oregano is a very, strong flavor. But when you taste the pizza after you've cooked it, you'll notice even this much oregano kind of doesn't really stand out in the flavor spectrum of the pizza. Okay, so here we go. Let's get this there off here. Place that off. Move along quickly here. We're growing our own for now. We're still buying these. This is ripe. I'm going to do an entire tomato. I find one tomato does cover the pizza pretty much. And we'll do it like this. See? Look how beautiful that is. Look how nice that's looking. Extra cheese. Everybody likes extra cheese, but there's enough. Just going to pour the olive oil in the center again, because it does spread out beautifully across the pizza. Some people put on the olive oil after it's cooked. I do it at the beginning because I like it that way. Let's do some salt. This is Himalaya pink salt. If I can get some out. Okay, there we go. Okay, oh, guess what? Bingo, we're ready to go. This may be considered in the mode of passion, so we're not going to put that much on. Okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. It does, chilies are good for you. Back to Eden, the spice book. Cayenne pepper is one of the best spices for purification. So, this is going to be quite a beautiful pizza. Now, if you look here, 24 minutes. Well, let's take a look here. 24 to 26 for directly in the middle oven rack, or 21 to 22. You know what I'm going to do? Let's go for 23. Right on, brother. Okay, so here we go. And guess what? In 23 minutes, perfectly cooked. I'm going to slice it up, and then we're going to offer a piece to our deities like we do. We offer all of our food here to God and ask Him to bless it for us so we can have a spiritual dinner. Here we go. I'll get this here. There we are. Look how beautiful that looks, eh? Like we do. There, look at that. Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hataya Cha Jigaritaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hataya Cha Jigaritaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hataya Cha Jagaritaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Jagannath Swami Ki, Gaur Nitai Ki, Srila Prabhupada Ki, Nrsimha Bhagavan Ki. All glories to the assembled devotees. Okay. That was quite good. Here we are. Now, before we do serve it out, I will clean the plate off. This plate was used by Prabhupada when he visited Toronto in the 70s, and I've saved it since then, along with one of the bowls there, so it's quite historical and valuable because of Prabhupada's position as a saint that came from India to deliver the Sankirtan mission of Lord Chaitanya. Okay, so here we are. Rinse this off. Put this back in place. So, we're ready to serve the pizza out to everybody and chant Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna, Hari Bol.